Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the finished Port Royal Street Revetment project. So this is the project now, so we'll tell you a little about it. So Port Royal Street was renovated, the actual street. This section here was built. It's like a parking place where you can park up, and then they built this boardwalk to the left, and they built the seawall. It's actually a revetment wall, and there you can see it straight ahead. Also those buildings, that's downtown Kingston, and to the left is the Kingston Harbor. So this project was done to, one, reinforce the existing seawall, two, to build a boardwalk, and three, to fix the road. So there you can see a very nice boardwalk built, similar to the one on Palisades Strip, where persons can walk and jog and fish. Similar thing was done here for this area. And then the road was renovated, so it's 6 lanes, and you can see nicely paved with the white lines. So this project is officially finished. Oh, but before we go off, straight ahead, that's GP, the General Penitentiary, or the Tower Street Correctional Facility. It's a prison, a maximum security prison in Jamaica. It was built hundreds of years ago. That's why you see the brick on the outside. But they had mentioned once about moving it, and I think they had looked into it, but it was too expensive to move the prison. But that prison is now on prime real estate in Jamaica. Prime real estate. So I'm not sure what the outcome will be, but let's see. But everybody says it's an eyesore because down here is such a nice place now. And then on the left now, J. Ray and Nephew, the company J. Ray and Nephew, they have worked something out with the government to paint their logo and thing on the wall. So that's why you see the J. Ray and Nephew thing. Not just this wall, but on a lot of, they worked something out. It's an ongoing project with the government. And you can see the, what you call it now, the boardwalk. If you check out the videos, Palisades Strip, or driving into the Norman Manley International Airport, you will see videos of the Palisades boardwalk. So this revetment project takes you from the Raytown Fishing Village all the way to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building. This was very nicely done, and more areas in Jamaica should be fixed up like this. And it's very nice that they fixed up this one because it's right beside the Kingston Harbor, and straight ahead now you can see the skyline for downtown Kingston. So all the way to the left, that white building is a new ROK Hotel. Then beside it, that's the Bank of Jamaica building, and then beside that building where you see the back glass, that's the Scotia Center. And it doesn't look like it from the camera angle, but the Scotia Center is the tallest building in downtown Kingston, and it's actually the second tallest building in Jamaica. Only the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston is taller than the Scotia Center. And then beside the Scotia Center is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building, and that was recently opened. And then beside that one now, where you have the 100 in red, that's the Grace Kennedy head office. That one was also recently opened. And I just want to point out that that Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building, that should be the benchmark or the model for which all the government ministries in Jamaica look. The Ministry of Finance, if you ever see the building they have, it looks nothing like this. They should have a building like that also. Maybe not every ministry, but the main ministries should have a building like that. Or even if you have a building like that that houses 2 or 3 ministries. But that is the progress that you like to see in Jamaica. And you see they are fixing up the area around downtown Kingston now. They even have projects going on to fix up downtown Kingston. So that's the kind of progress you like to see in Jamaica. I'm not sure how much the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building costs, but it's a very nice building, and that's how the government ministries should look. You can't do them all at once, but At least the Ministry of Finance should look like this. And some of these government ministries are located in New Kingston, and that New Kingston is the most expensive real estate, has the most expensive real estate in Jamaica. So can you imagine the rent that they are paying? That rent could easily build another building like this. And this is in downtown Kingston, so the real estate is not as expensive as New Kingston. Plus the government owns so much land around the place. Alright, so this is Port Royal Street. No, this part of Port Royal Street was not renovated. Okay, hopefully they'll do a phase 2 and renovate this side very soon. Alright, so we're now in downtown Kingston. Port Royal Street will take us right through downtown Kingston and onto the Portmore Expressway, onto Marcus Garvey Drive.